Huge. Man, bazooka juice. Feeling.
I can show you guys. My original channel is Fisher. Well, you should drink. Release. Take a drink. And then when we finish with it, and take a break, because you go to sleep. Here's the fridge. My own. I call it fridge. I call it the fridge because it's a cold in here. And we moved in, practically 3 years ago, but almost 3 years ago. These closets actually fit as a fridge. Has a perfect summation scope for my drinks. And you can see it. I fit the refrigerator on top of the wall here. And there's also the old stuff that I don't use. It's good. Those are so close. It's good. So I'm gonna put the drink down and goodbye with that. Next day. Bye. And also bye for today.
See you guys next time. Peace.